afternoon, good morning, or good day wherever you are. My name is Mary Ann. As you all know, I'm bringing you something special today again from Delicious Food Network. And as you all can see, what I have here is turkey, and here is ginger. This one is the jalapeno. Then I have in here like baby carrots. I have onion, white onion or yellow onion would do. And here I have my celery. Here I have my garlic. It's already peeled and everything is washed and ready to go. Here is my salt for taste, and here is the curry, and here is the non-spice. So what I'm doing today, as you all know, Thanksgiving is fast approaching, and we always have a special dish on Thanksgiving, and turkey is the main thing. So I know different people from different countries celebrate Thanksgiving in different ways, but from where I came from to where I live, on Thanksgiving we always have a big feast. So I'm gonna get you ready before the Thanksgiving day, just in case if you don't know how to prepare your turkey, or if you're so worried that maybe you want something different from what you normally get, different taste. So today from this Delicious Network Kitchen, I'm gonna try to make your Thanksgiving for this year a special one. So you follow me and see how I prepared my special ingredients for this turkey, and I believe it's always come out yummy, something that you always want to go back and try over and over. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel the ginger. I haven't peeled the ginger, so and the onion, you see, I use the whole of the onion because of the flavor. So the turkey, again, I said the turkey is a big turkey, so you want to use enough onion that will give it a very good flavor. Alright, so now I'm gonna blend it. Just add a little bit water, so that it will be easy to move around the blender. It's all blend. Curry powder, it's like 1 teaspoonful. My salt, I use 2. And this, I could have added more salt, but you know why I couldn't add more salt? Because this Knorr is kind of salty also, so you don't want to add too much salt and mess the turkey up. So 2 tablespoonfuls will be enough. And the Alright, so on this second part, as you can see, I'm gonna cut the celery in a small piece, because I told you this ones you don't have to blend it, and the carrot you're just gonna stuff inside the turkey. And the celery, you don't need too much. So, but at the end, when you're gonna see through my end, then I'm gonna use the celery mostly to decorate my turkey. So this amount is enough. So this is what I do right now. See, I put those inside, but I did not blend it. The spice goes inside and soak very well, penetrate through the turkey. Then the next day, before you put it in the oven. So I'm just gonna do this, season the turkey. After the marination of the turkey, I will put it back in the fridge, and you don't leave it outside, because it's not healthy for you to leave this overnight, outside and not in the fridge. No, so you're gonna put it back in the fridge as soon as you finish this process. So now I'm gonna put this back inside. The wings, everything. The foil all covered up. So I can only open up the foil whenever I want to check to see how it's doing. So you can always open it up and check how it is. That's it. So we take it again to the next level tomorrow. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Wow. Wait.
Hello everybody. As you can see, the turkey is all done and looking nice. Good to go. Now it's ready to serve. So remember how we stopped yesterday? You just leave it overnight and it's already baked, done, fully cooked, and it's all looking good. So now it's good to go.
How many hours?
It takes pretty much hour. Everybody, it has it's kind of a thermometer in it that tells you when it's fully cooked. You watch your thermometer. As soon as it's cooked, it will pop up. Yes, but otherwise it takes about 4 to 5 hours to be fully cooked. And your oven, you have to, except the summer oven varies though.
Yes.
Otherwise, you have to heat your oven 425 degrees. That's what you bake on. So everything is ready, and I thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and we promise to upload you with more beautiful video. And you can see as we decorated this, we have all the veggies on the side. So you pretty much like your decoration. You don't want to leave your turkey that way at the end of it. So you're gonna make your own decoration. That's what makes it more beautiful. And most of this vegetable is kind of a little bit pre-cooked, which means you can eat it that way, and the vegetables also you can eat raw. So, but you make your own, decoration as you wish. Thanks you very much, and have a good one.
Thank you. It's beautiful.